guys, how y'all doing? So it's that time of the month, entering South Africa. So you guys I do a little unveiling for you guys. We got our fun facts and stuff we're gonna read later. Things that could possibly be in it. Woo! Different type of Lay's chips. It looks like there's some cheese snack cookie thingy, chickpea thing. Ooh, a cold drink, because y'all remember my issue with last time. Ginger beer, caramel crunch, different candies. Ooh, Nestle, I know what that is. Text. So I'm gonna do my video later, so stay tuned. Hey guys, we're back again for another snack crate video. Here she goes, already judging me. You already know who's gonna be in this video, even though I said she wasn't gonna come, but I have no one else to come because no one wants to say, hey, I want to be on your snack crate video. So without further ado, it's time to introduce myself again. If y'all don't know, it's me, Jillian. Hey girl, hey. So today is this is my second snack crate video, and you guys really liked the first one, so I continued my subscription, and plus I really like tasting different foods. It's cool. So I'm gonna introduce my little bother. So here is my little brother, Madison. Here she goes. So hey girl, hey. Your lashes entered the video before you did.
Yes, they should.
So how you doing?
I was just with you 5 seconds ago.
Are you ready to start this video? So here we go, guys. It's snack crate time. So I don't know if you remember last time, but I did the unveiling, and then we read the facts, and let's see if she can actually pronunciate words this time. She hasn't been in school for 5 days or whatever, so we'll see.
Yes, Colin.
So
Did you? Oh, okay.
last time we did Japan, so this time we're doing
We were supposed to do it in Kalahari because we were in Africa.
South Africa. Yeah, we were supposed to do it in Kalahari, but see, that was really dumb because we were just really occupied with stuff, so got myself stressed for what.
Please do not read it. It took too long last time.
No, we're going to read because this is my video.
You say forever, now I drive alone past your street.
Alright. So this is different last time.
Here she goes.
We're doing only fun facts.
Here's the fun part.
Bro, look at your goddamn eyes.
There are more than 2,000 shipwrecks off the South African coast, more dating back at least 500 years. I don't know what any of that means.
Why'd you start from the third one? South Africa is home to the highest commercial bungee jump in the world at 710 feet. Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
I ain't going to banana bit. Let her hoe.
Please read the next one.
Oh my. South Africa is now the only country in the world to have hosted the soccer, cricket, and rugby World Cup.
Rugby?
Huh?
Get your own. The oldest remains of modern humans were found in South Africa and are well over 160,000 years old. I did not know that. That's good to know. Why do you keep putting it so up, bro? Leave it alone. Read the last one.
I don't want to.
Read the
I
last
don't
one.
want to.
Here she goes. The first human heart transplant was performed in South Africa, Cape Town
In 1967.
Oh yeah, there's that. So here we go. So we got regular cookie snacks, chips, excuse me, chocolate thingies, chalky water, and beer.
Chalky water.
So
It's chalky water.
What do you want to start with first?
The mother.
Don't make me call her into this video. We're gonna do these first because there's 2 bags of these. So, you want to read the facts about it first or me? Well, they sent.
Duh.
They sent three types of flavors, but we're gonna do the double flavor one first. But the description is in whole.
I will.
So, the first we're eating is, it's called Willard's Chia Snacks. This is the first flavor we're trying. It's chicken flavor maize. So the description says, these are very popular corn snacks, sure easy to snack on. This bag is
I think
bursting.
there's an S missing.
This bag is bursting with the robust flavors of either tangy fruit chutney or savory roast chicken. I really hope I did not get a fruit chia chickpea corn snack flavor because that's disgusting.
Chia pet.
All right, so like I said, we're trying chicken flavored corn snacks. Here.
Can I see my cat? Chicas. Does that say chicas?
Does it look like it says chica? I literally just read it.
Is that a turkey?
It's chicken.
Chicken wing, chicken wing. It smells like you.
No?
It smells. That's a blue.
Good.
Oh,
It smells like.
it smells like. It smells like. It smells like a. Ooh! It smells like a. It smells like a. It smells like a.
Bro, what is that chip?
Oh, whoa! Looks like a sperm.
I can taste it. Definitely taste the chicken flavor. It tastes like an onion ring. There we go. Like an onion ring, but chicken flavored.
It smells like an onion ring.
That's what that chip was. Now I've been eating onion rings a lot lately. I like these.
I don't.
Did you even eat one? Well, you was fucking that shit up, right?
It's disgusting.
What would you rate it?
0.
No, come on. This is good. Try another one. Give it the benefit of the doubt. Try another one. I could see myself actually buying these. They're really good. Let me see. Looking for the knackiest snack to snack? Want to do the funky chicken? Still searching for that tantalizing taste? How about the crispiest, crunchiest, yummiest snack in the world ever?
I think you're missing the S.
Bro, I'm reading what it says. You've just picked
Scoop.
the right, totally right knack to snack. A knack you'll instantly get the knack of snacking, bro. Say this 10 times fast.
Knack, 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 knack.
Knack, back and back. A knack covered in the tastiest finger-licking chicken flavor. This ain't KFC. Finger-licking good.
That sounded like something off of cat food.
You read cat food labels a lot?
Yeah. Actually, for the old people, they can't see.
Alright. Enough of the chicken flavor one. So, now we're gonna try. Which one are you gonna try?
Yum, 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 yum. Look at Kenya.
We're not supposed to sponsor Kalahari. We're giving them free publicity. Oh, it's the same thing. They just put it in a different bag.
I want purple.
Okay, whatever. Can you?
No, it's maple syrup.
Where do you see maple syrup? Bro, that's chutney, like barbecue sauce.
Chutney.
There we go. Yeah, it smells like barbecue.
Barbecue sauce on my titty.
What titties?
I thought so.
Bro, can you just pick up a damn chip?
Thanks.
Tinks.
I spit my dick.
Bro, hurry up. I didn't even taste it. Isn't that barbecue sauce?
This is delicious.
This is sweet. You like these?
No.
If you have to choose the chicken one or these.
Chicken wing.
Dude, this is like... Can you Google what chutney is?
What is chutney?
I'm still eating them.
No. Why did you go away? What is chutney? Condiments associated with South Asian. They're in Africa.
Okay, continue.
Yes.
Of the Indian subcontinent. Mixture of spices, vegetables, and our fruit. What's this description say? Basically the same description. They just changed it right there. A snack covered in the tastiest, fruitiest chutney flavor to satisfy your snack attack like no other snack you'll ever snack. No. I'll stick with the chicken wings. Eat both of them at the same time.
I spelled oven.
Oven? I don't know, put yourself in it. I don't think she liked that. That or she broke a tooth. Ah, shorty getting the whole beauty bag.
Let's smell it.
Why does your bag smell like weed? Give me a tissue. Give me a tissue. It's going on my lip.
Did you get out my J.I. hoodie?
Oh my god.
This was like $80.
Bro, give me a fucking tag in my mouth.
How is this my fault?
Are you fucking kidding me? You only worry about your damn self.
This was all about the plan, guys.
Oh.
Look on your boobs.
What the fuck? What in the fucking yogurt?
It's still in your nose. You didn't even cut that part out. That was disgusting. How dare you blow your nose on camera?
I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna be back because this shit is burning my nose and I'm not about to sit here looking like I got jizz on my shirt. So
This was I was trying to get all along.
we're gonna see if she's gonna be in the next video. Okay, bye. I'm back.
I got a gorilla.
Do you think that was okay to use a gorilla cup because we're in South Africa?
No.
Scoop. No, I literally did not realize I'm using an elephant cup.
They must have thought I was crisp. Oh.
Is that a part of our video? It's water.
Before I did another shirt.
Okay.
No.
Let's do a chalky bar.
Okay, so last video, my hair wasn't this color, and I got it red. And it turned
Who
pink.
gives a fuck about your personal life? Red. I see brown.
That's copper, you idiot.
Do you know what copper is?
On a penny. Duh.
You mean the only thing you have on your green light card?
Bottoms up.
She's taking a shot. You don't need your pinky out. Dumbass.
Okay, so
Pick one. Don't show it. Just pick one. What happened? What happened? Anyway, pick a chalky bar.
Papa Chalky milk. I can't see myself. I'm getting myself.
Can you pick a bar, please?
Papa Chalky milk. What is that? Looks like
Whoops,
AIDS.
she picked that one. Watch your mouth. You don't even know what that is.
Okay, Queen.
Okay, show the camera.
Very refreshing, you know?
No.
Someone texted you.
Okay.
So this is what we got. Oh, my notes.
Oh my god, give me.
No, I could do it. This is what we got. Oh, look at this.
That is a Cadbury 5-star. Classic Cadbury milk chocolate wrapped around a filling of creamy caramel and cookie bits in this highly sought after candy bar. The hell you see, but I don't like.
No, I need to do this again.
Why do I need the one in the wrapper?
Here.
Oh, okay.
Papa Chalk. Oh, it just comes off. It just slides into your DMs. Oh, you examining good.
I like the chocolate part. I'm not a fan of caramel like that.
Oh. It's in my vagina.
Jack, I'll let you fall.
It's in my.
What's on your leg? Oh, God. I'm tired of this. You're gonna wake him. See, that's why I don't like candy like that, because then it's literally in my mouth forever.
You can stop now.
And what are your comments on it?
It's because of my buns.
What are your comments on it?
I like chocolate. But soup. You know, can we have that next? I'm really thirsty.
Okay. So, here we have
This ginger beer classic. So we're gonna get tipsy today.
Stony ginger beer. You didn't even like fully show it. Oh God.
You think they care?
Yeah, because I put in the description of where it is and like where you can buy it if you wanted it to.
Who wants to do that?
My viewers. Oh, I think you're like a spider because all those black kids look like eyes.
You do crack or something? Your pickles are getting tiny.
Stony ginger beer, a South African favorite. This soda is like a slightly more gingery ginger ale, but not quite as intense as a traditional ginger beer.
I thought this was gonna be brown.
So did I.
I know you did.
It smells like ginger ale. Tastes like ginger ale. I feel that little gingery taste in the back of your throat. Funny story about ginger.
Can I do this? This is my story. No, it's embarrassing.
My sister, she was like...
My sister, I'm living right next to you.
This one right here. She was like... 1, 2... We were at the supermarket.
I was like 5.
Which is worse, a 1-2-year-old peeing on themselves or a 5-year-old? You choose. She was 1-2 years old. She was little.
I was talking.
Is that what you call this right now? Whatever. She
was like 4. I was like 4 or 5. 1 to 5.
Sure. And we were in the supermarket, and
why is it burning? Why is it spicy?
I don't know what.
Why is it spicy?
It's ginger.
No. Give me God.
Anyway, And I don't know what was happening, but we were like throwing a piece of ginger back and forth.
Oh no,
like,
we weren't doing that. Let me emphasize. So I was like to my mommy, I was like, "Can I get a piece of ginger?" She's like, "Here you go." I don't know why she left me. So my sister, I was like, "Here, catch the ginger." She didn't catch it in time. So I threw it at a lady by accident.
Yeah, she hit an old lady in the back.
And this is really
a really old lady.
This is really traumatizing.
And the old lady just comes out of nowhere, goes up to my sister in the shopping cart, and starts shaking her. And it's like, why would you do that? And I'm standing there like my dumbass 8-9-year-old self is like,
help me.
I'm just gonna let my little sister get shaken to death. And my mom comes out of nowhere, and she's just like, get your hands off my sister. And she didn't even touch the old
daughter.
Woman. What the fuck I said?
Sister.
Get your hand off my daughter. And the woman threw herself back, acting like my mom like pushed her. And she's like, don't touch me. You see that? She pushed me. And it's like this is the original Karen. And like everyone's looking at us, and my mom's like, oh my God, fucking God help me. And then it was a new manager in that place, and it was his first day, and he was like, I ain't got time for this shit. And EMS had to come. She was like, I'm not coming, and I'm not getting up. She pushed me. I probably broke something.
Broke her spinal cord.
And I'm like, and my mom's like, let me help you up. Don't touch me. Oh my God.
When my mom was actually
and
a good person.
This when my mom was a good person. So
moral of the story,
she pissed on herself.
Yes, I just pissed on the floor and put my panties down like a whole.
She got so scared. Like, imagine in it, that nun creature painting just coming at you like.
I hate. She got a shirt that looks like that. No.
I'll make sure I wear it at your funeral.
I'm wearing my husband's merch.
IJ.
What did you say?
IJ. Because you can't afford the real thing. Is that the chicken one or the other one? Oh, no, it's the chicken one.
This is going too slow.
How do you feel about the ginger beer thing?
It's disgusting.
It's like...
It brought back flashbacks, and it's really traumatizing.
It tastes like ginger ale, but like
No,
once you like actually drink it, you can like
spicy.
taste that. Why is it spicy?
Imagine
Taste that ginger in the back. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
You want to act like you're an alcoholic all the time? Go ahead. Just throw it back.
Did you just drink out of my gorilla cup?
Why is that spicy?
It's okay. Okay, let's do something else. I don't want to do chocolate.
Well, we got 2 chocolates.
I want to do it. I want to pick it. I said I don't want to do chocolate.
We need to do one in between.
Follow it on Facebook. I want to do this one.
You chose the drink.
I know.
Don't open it yet. So this is Tex. Yeah. Now you can open it.
Oh. That's like confetti. Does that say confetti?
Confection.
Confectionist?
Confection. Like confection chocolate?
I don't know
Confection
what
sugar?
that is.
I don't know. Let me read it. Shut up. Nestle Tex Bar. Since 1956, South Africans have loved this combination of milk chocolate filled wafers with an aerated chocolate center. Bro, you saw that dust? That's how you know it's from 1956. Oh, that's really strong chocolate. Excuse me. That's from the soda.
Can you do North America next?
You get what you get. I didn't choose this. I didn't choose this life. Why the fuck they gonna give me North America and I live in North America? The fuck they gonna send me? Chicken nuggets?
The cheeks are so fat.
So that's how it looks like on the inside.
I can't eye it. Look at my teeth marks. Classified as a killer.
Very wafery.
It's a wafer, you idiot.
Okay.
This is actually a good one.
It's sweet. It's not too much chocolate. It's like a thick ass Kit Kat.
It'd be like Kim Kardashian used to talk all the chocolate.
She don't eat the chocolate?
No, she takes off the wafer 'cause it's too much. Okay.
Of a Kit Kat?
What come? No, the chocolate. I can't figure out what comes first.
The chicken or the egg? The chicken came first.
The Wibble.
No, the chicken. That one's good. You could finish that one in real life.
How does the chicken come first?
Oh, but mom and dad said they wanted to actually try
Does it
these.
look like clear? Zero.
So,
You put this back.
scientifically proven, the chicken came first because there's actual like artificial things that make up the egg that only a chicken can produce.
You say what now?
I be scrolling too far on Instagram that I just be like reading nonsense facts. But I believe it. Hello. What came first? Me or Ethan?
Okay, so you should really watch Vampire Diaries. It's literally so good, and I already cried like 4 times. But I scroll too much on TikTok, and I don't want to watch it anymore.
All right, next.
Can I see it?
This is our second to last
This
thing.
is sea salt,
They actually didn't give a lot of stuff this time.
balsamic vinegar.
These are Lay's. These are #1 in their country. Lay's potato
It's a continent.
chips. No.
Africa's a continent.
Africa is a continent, but South Africa is a country within Africa.
No. You see, like South America.
South Africans are white also.
Am I South African?
No one's racist. Who asked the peanut gallery in the back? Potato chips, Caribbean onion, and balsamic vinegar flavor. I like trying the Lay's flavors that are different. Well, wait, I like to read. These chips feature a zesty sweet onion flavor paired with a tiny hint of real balsamic vinegar. What they smell like?
They smell like sea turtles.
You know they could see you, right?
They smell. I wanted to get one. I'm just telling you how. I want the big one.
You are a big one.
They smell like sea turtles.
Ooh. They smell
Like sea turtles.
like
Sea turtles.
like
Turtles of the sea. Little mermaid.
they smell like fishy. No, they smell like sweat because of the onions. Like, no. Gotta let it play on your tongue. Are these got flavors of crab or something? Simba. That's nasty.
Look, it's water.
That's nasty. It tastes like crab.
Is this like Caribbean onion? It's like
Caribbean, the sea. Sea turtles, make a mermaid.
has vitamin D.
Yeah, you need some of that. Sorry, we just froze for a second if you didn't notice.
You just have to glitch sometimes. Can you see me?
You like them?
Look at the chicken.
You would like what you smell like.
So hilarious. You like what you smell like? Don't you?
Don't care.
She's eating tuna fish, guys. Call her lacking.
I had a sandwich on the side from before, so I'm like low-key eating it. And don't try to use the same joke I said.
Caught you lacking. You see?
You like what you eat, right?
Bro, why you put the cheese on they put in McDonald's?
I'm fucking criticizing my sandwich. Yeah, you fucking that shit up.
Why would I put the crumb back? Oh! My eyelash come off?
Is that what she cares about?
No, look at my fucking eyebrow.
Oh my god, help me.
I got beat too much times in my life. They don't affect me. Don't faze me because I'm a winner.
I fight my sister. You guys don't scare me. Well, at least I made it better than before. Why is that stinging? I'm gonna call cops on us. Alright. This is our lap.
No, it's not. We still have this.
We ate that already. You fat ass. So this is our last
So this is
one.
our last one. It is,
Can you show the
it's
camera?
called Barthoven 1 Peanut.
It's called Bar 1 Peanut. Can you... Not the Yaga.
No! Why is everybody annoying me?
Make me take your eyelashes.
When he bites you. Stop.
Perfect for a 25-hour day. Enjoys layers of malted nougat, peanuts,
Hope it
and
burns your
caramel,
throat.
all wrapped in delicious milk chocolate.
All ginger.
If you wanted to taste our stuff, you should have bet in our flavor, our video.
Can you move your fat arm?
Oh.
Smells like you. This does not look like what Twix looks like.
The hell is that?
Look at old gum stuck to that shit.
It's snowing today, guys.
I think all my viewers are in New York.
They're having a date.
Can I have a piece, please?
They're having a date. Not the bigger one or the smaller?
Whatever matches the one inside my pants.
Smaller.
Oh! It's a Snickers. It just gives you energy.
The Twix is loud.
It's literally chocolate caramel and peanuts. What the hell is that? Oh, Snickers. Shut up and eat the chocolate.
I'm gonna spit this on your hand. This doesn't taste like a Snicker.
So, what I didn't get was mini cheddars, noosh nougat, big corn bites, Baker's, that's some more,
That's cocoa mass.
peppermint crisp.
You don't get everything on there, stupid.
I know. I tell them what I didn't get.
I don't think they care.
Sally Williams nougat.
Is that
They got a lot.
pancake?
Maybe, I guess, when they made it with the beer.
But I want a pancake.
A lot of their stuff is chocolatey, nougaty, and corn flavored.
You do. I don't like any of this.
I'm actually
that a
disappointed
deer?
in this box for the simple fact that a couple of stuff was like repeated.
No, it's not repeated. It's nasty.
They gave two, yeah, but everything would be individual like it was last time. But they gave two of the chips things in two flavors, so these could have been like two other snacks.
They're nasty.
They're basic.
No, they're not basic.
They are basic. These chips could go to hell. No, I like these.
So
I
do
like.
we only have like 3 more left for each continent?
It's not just continents, it's countries. They have over like 40 snack crate boxes already.
Can I get to choose what's next?
It comes randomly.
No.
You only choose the first one.
And what did you choose last time?
Japan.
Why'd you think that was okay? Why'd you think that was okay?
Did you want Greece?
Yeah.
I would think that smells like onions more.
Greek and I'm so sorry for my Greek viewers. I'm so sorry. She is so disrespectful to your religion.
Are you dumb? Greek food's got like onions in it and peppers.
That is Italian.
That's both. What's a gyro? Greek. What's it come with? Onions and peppers.
Spit in my ear one more time and see what I do to you.
Maybe you can listen better. This is the only one I like. The chicken one. Because it tastes like chicken flavored onion rings. Aw, Ethan wasn't in this video. Because it was so short. Hopefully I don't have a lot of editing to do. And I apologize last time because I'm new to this. So the editing was hard. I wanted to make it look good for you guys, but you guys gave me views and good thumbs up and everything, and comments on my Instagram and Snapchat saying that, you know, it was really good, you enjoyed it. So hopefully my next, remember, these videos are once a month.
Ugly ass.
Bankrupt. No money on my card. So remember, these videos are every month. So I know, because the last time I posted a video, a couple people are like, oh, when are you doing the next one? So they're every month. I get the box
Okay,
at the
you guys want to see my
at the end of the month.
That's my TikTok.
What the fuck? No one even saw that. It
You want to see my
looks
recent?
like a ball
You
pigeon.
want to see my recent TikTok? Actually, I'm gonna show you a good TikTok. Maybach. I make up and I whip all black and cream my hand on here on my. It's showing my top, but she need back. I'm a machine and mommy Maybach. Say, but I'm why like that, why y'all like that? I'm gonna show you my other TikTok.
All right, man. Say bye. So we're out of time, guys. So goodbye from me and Ethan. Oh, I don't even think last time I had this tattoo for you guys to see. It's about for my son. It's got his name, the time he was born, and his birthday. It's gonna be continued more.
We're out of time, guys.
So say bye, Maddie. And this is Chickadee. Say bye. Bye. Wait, bye.
Bye.
Busting at you, bald headed.